Let's make a smoked gin old fashioned. So today I'm going to be using Bar Hill's Tomcat Gin. It's an old Tom gin, so it was aged in barrels. Really awesome for this cocktail build. So 2 ounces of gin. We're going to do 3/4 ounces of an Earl Grey simple syrup. Chill that down. Recipes down in the comments. 2 dashes of orange bitters. We're going to pour this over a brand new ice cube, and then we're going to get our Oklahoma Joe's cocktail smoker going. I'm using a competition blend for the wood chips here. Just give it a little lemon peel garnish, express those oils. So yeah, we're going to torch our chips, put the box over here. Cocktail goes in the box, let it sit for about a minute or so, and boom, you have a deliciously smoked gin old fashioned. Garnish this one up with a little burnt lavender sprig. A tasty cocktail. Cheers. Enjoy.